Hey everyone, today we have an exciting unboxing and review of the Boat Storm Cold 3 smartwatch. I purchased this watch from Flipkart for only rupees 1100 rupees on the first sale day, but it's currently available for around rupees 1500. I'll drop the link in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. The box highlights all the key features of the smartwatch, and it's probably mentioned that it is made in India. The front and the side of the box mention the Storm Cold 3 branding, while the back highlight the features such as the 1.83 SD display, advanced Bluetooth calling, watch fed studio, and QR code tray, and 700 plus active modes, built-in games, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, IP67 dust, sweat and splash resistance, and compatible with the Android 7.0 and above, iOS 12.0 and above. Inside the box, you will find the Boat Storm Cold 3 smartwatch itself, along with the documentation sticker, including an I am about head sticker, a 1-year manufacturer warranty card, and a thank you card, user manual, and some catalog cards. The Boat Storm Cold 3 smartwatch felt lightweight and comfortable on the hand, even when wear for extended period of time. The straps are soft and don't cause any discomfort. It comes with a magnetic charger for easy charging. The watch offers multiple watch faces that can be changed by holding and pressing on the watch and swiping right or the left. It also features health and fitness tracking, including heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. You can adjust the screen time, ringtone, and use the feature like play or pause or next song. The watch also has a flashlight feature which can be handy in emergency or to locate your phone. To connect your smartwatch, you need to download the Boat Crest app from the Play Store. The app allows you to connect and customize your watch. You guys can also add the QR code from your phone to the smartwatch. Let's say if you want to add a UPI or any payment barcode or QR code, you can easily add to this your smartwatch for easy access or easy payment. So this is also one of good feature. The Boat Storm Cold 3 offer up to 5 days of battery life, but actually the battery life may be vary according based on your uses. The bots support the Bluetooth calling with a phone book of up to 20 contacts, so you can easily add up to 20 contacts. One standout feature is ability to receive the call on the watch and pick up without needing your phone, which is a great for a situation like driving your bike or when you are in a meeting. Overall, the Boat Storm Cold 3 smartwatch offer a lot of features at affordable price point. It is a good option for those looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch with a decent feature and performance. That's it for today's video. If you found this video unboxing and review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.